ये धान है ले दी dear students guys बाईस लाख को ना क्लास फर्स्ट ईयर subject chemistry related to the chapter number 7 hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, first of all, hydro means water, lysis means breaking. The hydrolysis, it means the ions of salt react with water to change its pH, acidic, basic or neutral. Such phenomena are known as hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, it means the process in which the water molecule react with salt in such a way hydrogen oxygen bond is broken down in water are known as the hydrolysis. Suppose hydrolysis means the ions of salt react with water to change its pH. Are known as hydrolysis. Ions of salt may be cations or anions react with water to change its pH. Change its pH, it means it may be acidic, it may be basic, or it may be neutral. We are taking another definition of the hydrolysis. The process in which water molecule react with ionic compounds in such a way hydrogen oxygen bond is hydrogen oxygen bond in water is broken down or known as the hydrolysis. When water molecules react with ionic compounds, you know very well those compounds which contain ionic bond. Such compounds are known as ionic compounds. The water molecules react with ionic compounds in such a way. It means the hydrogen oxygen bond in water is broken down or known as the hydrolysis. But you know very well the breaking of bond is phenomena are known as endothermic. Hydrolysis is the endothermic process. Hydrolysis is endothermic process because bond breaking is endothermic, bond forming is exothermic. Suppose we are taking an example, either the ions of salt, it may be cations or anions, react with water to change its pH. It means this is the chemical process. This one is the chemical process to change its pH. Suppose we are taking an example, aqueous solution of ammonium chloride is acidic nature. Aqueous solution of ammonium chloride is acidic. Suppose ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Acidic nature to produce, it means the ions of salt. Positive ions react with it. OH to produce ammonium hydroxide. And hydrogen react with chlorine to produce HCl. It means this is the ammonium chloride. This is called as ammonium hydroxide. This one is the base, but weak base, a strong acid. So solution of ammonium chloride is acidic nature. How acidic nature? Because we are checking through the litmus paper, more concentration of hydrogen ion is produced than the hydroxide ion concentration. But litmus paper change into blue to red. It means blue to red is a property of the acidic. Conversion of the litmus paper from blue to red. Blue litmus to red. Suppose we take in another example. The aqueous solution of sodium carbonate is basic. Sodium carbonate is basic nature. This Na2CO3, the formula of the sodium carbonate, react with the water to produce sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. But you know very well, sodium hydroxide is a strong base, carbonic acid is a weak acid. Now it means the more amount of hydroxide ion concentration than the hydrogen in this reaction. It means the strong base is produced, so solution is basic. A strong acid is produced, so solution is acidic. Suppose it means we are checking through the litmus paper. Litmus paper can be changed into red to blue. Red to blue. Red litmus paper into blue. The property of the basic. So solution is a alkaline or solution is a basic nature. Yes, dear students. Now next example is, suppose the aqueous solution of sodium chloride. We are taking another example. The aqueous solution of sodium chloride is neutral. It means it does not hydrolyze. It does not hydrolyze due to a strong acid and strong base is formed. The strong acid and strong base is formed. Suppose we are taking an example through the reaction. Sodium chloride react with water to produce sodium hydroxide and HCl. But you know very well the strong base sodium hydroxide, strong acid HCl. Solution of sodium chloride is neutral. Basically, salt and water both are neutral. It's mean pH does not change. It means the pH does not change. So solution is neutral. It means that suppose you are taking another example. The aqueous solution of ammonium acetate. This one is the formula of the ammonium acetate. CH3COONH4. CH3COONH4 react with water to produce NH4 OH and acetic acid. It means this is not example of the hydrolysis. This is the example of the double displacement reaction. This is example of double displacement reaction. Due to weak base and weak acid is produced. Ammonium hydroxide is the weak base and acetic acid is the weak acid, because you know very well the low those substances which are partially hydrolyzed in water, they are called as weak. Those substances which are strongly hydrolyzed in water, they are called as strong. Suppose, what is the concept of hydrolysis in organic and physical chemistry? This is the concept of the physical chemistry, not organic chemistry. This one is the concept of the physical chemistry, not organic chemistry. But what is the concept of the hydrolysis in organic chemistry? According to organic chemistry, it means just addition of water is breaking of water are known as the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means just a broken down, breakage form of the water. Clear? Stop.